boy, a new game! Can't wait to figure out what this hype is all about. Alright then, so how do I play this game? If that's what you're asking, you found the right video! Because today I'm going to teach you how to play the game! So basically, Animal Company is a game where well, honestly, you can build things, you can mine, you can fight, bunch of things. And today we're going to teach you how to get started in Animal Company. So firstly, you're gonna grab a stick, or you can just buy a pickaxe, but I'm just gonna get this, and get a flashlight if you can't. Anyways, so just go to mines, which is located behind stump. No, wait, behind spawn, and it's over here. Now, you wanna go inside of the hole, and you'll see like a portal. Just go in it. You'll be teleported to the mines. Anyway, so yeah, what you wanna do in mines? You wanna go to the actual mines. Since it updates every day, the mines updates every update. So basically, you just wanna find the path to this update's path is over here. Now, you see these purple thingies? You just wanna mine them. And these things are called research points. Now, I'm not getting any because I already mined some, but there's a limit of 4 research points you can get. And these yellow things are gold, also known as company coins. You can use them to buy cosmetics, although cosmetics are quite pricey. Now, if you see a gray thingy, like those over there, those are nuts. The main currency in the game. And yeah, that's basically all for mining. You just want to go and mine. And you see these green thingies? They bring you back to spawn. So I'm gonna just mine it right now. As you can see, we're back at spawn. Now, for goop building. For goop building, you really want to get enough research points to like buy goop. This is goop, a sort of glue. And you wanna get goop, grab something, put the goop on it. Wait real quick. You wanna grab something and then put the goop on it, then grab something else, and then voila, it's goop. Now, if you guys want to save this, just follow me. You just want to go over here to the goop saving machine. And yeah, so you're just gonna build your thing that you want saved. You're gonna put it inside this levitating king, and then you're gonna like choose something, then pull the lever, and then it'll save. But beware, when you save things, it will still cost money. So yeah, now to PvP. So the items that don't do a lot of damage are the sticks, the bones, frying pan, crowbar, baseball bat, ringmaster staff. Now the things that protect you are the police shield and the shield and the protective bone shield, and the Spartan shield. And the worst item in the game is the spear. I accidentally bought it. So the best melee weapon for PvP is the lance, in my opinion. And if you want to propel yourself, use the Dawn Hammer. As you can see, this is the Dawn Hammer. So yeah, by the way, there's a new update. And also, if you like Star Wars, I recommend getting the Delta Blade or the Gamma Blade. And the explosive are Flashbang, Dynamite, Impact Grenade, Anti-Gravity Grenade, Stash Grenade, Sticky Dynamite, get out of here! And yeah, that's basically it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.